Bali. This is the morning commute Wednesday afternoon. Our internet is not working in our house that we're staying at. So getting on my pink motorbike and going to the local coffee shop to go do and I gotta watch this because this is where it gets a little difficult. Alright, so I'm gonna take you on a morning commute right now. Right now, you're not seeing any traffic, but within about a couple of minutes, you're gonna see what a morning commute is all about. Unbelievably enough, the traffic seems to keep on rolling. So, oh, thank you. Let's take a ride. Now, as you can see, this is nothing. But we're going to get a little bit more busy in the area. Okay, I'm going to push pause right now. Well, 1 second. Uh-oh. Okay, let's get going. Listen to a little Deepak in my headset. I'm doing the morning commute. And then we're going to head out to the main drag. And then we're going to see what traffic is really about here. Pulling at the left hand, and that's where the horn is, so I can't do any honking right now. Alright, I'm going to hit you up in just a little bit.